And whose car were you driving?
It was one that I had.
Well, you don't need a car.
I don't have it no more.
Things are rough from the jump. He's behind the wheel with a revoked license, and the judge wastes no seconds putting him in his place. By law, he shouldn't even have a car, much less be driving it. In short, he's been skating on thin ice, and now it's finally giving way.
This file 251049. Timothy Raymond McLaughlin. Mr. McLaughlin got charged on a ticket originally. Oops, that's Miss Richmond. Darn it. Alleging that at 5:43 in the afternoon on June 8th, he was driving a vehicle on Michigan Street at 5th Street in the village of Three Rivers, city of Three Rivers, while his license was suspended.
Driving with a suspended license might seem small time, but in court, it's dynamite. Every repeat makes the pit deeper, locking you in tighter. It's like trying to climb out of quicksand while your hands are full of stones.
His driving record shows that he is revoked. His problems are old and deep. He got a ticket in Indiana in 2021. He got a ticket in here in Centerville in 2018 for driving suspended. He's got some old drunk driving charges which cause his license to be suspended. It's very difficult to get that back. He has an ID, but he doesn't have a valid license. Ms. Harden, what's the status here?
Thank you, Your Honor. In talking to Ms. Stoll this afternoon, she's indicated
The judge isn't just sentencing, he's schooling. The mess-ups from your 20s don't just vanish. They stick like ink you wish you could scrub off but can't. And for McLaughlin, those past DUIs aren't gone. They're ghosts that still shadow him today. Will he grab
the reduced charge of allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code? In talking to Mr. McLaughlin, he's been actively trying to retain counsel to assist him in restoring his driving privileges and is working to gather and obtain the information required for a DLAD hearing.
Is that correct, Ms. Stoll?
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is a very sweet offer, Mr. McLaughlin. You haven't done anything. You're vigorously attempting to hire an attorney. You got this ticket in June. It's now late September. You haven't done anything except talk about maybe doing what you needed to get your license restricted. It's hard. It's a process. You got to prove to them that you're not drinking now. And it takes a while, like a year or more.
It's going to be there a while. It's going to
All right, thank you.
Yeah. There's no bond down there, so.
Okay. So anyway, this charge doesn't go on your driving record and won't affect your ability to get your license. So I'll tell you the same thing I told Mr. Cap. Stop driving. Now, he got arrested 4 times in about 50 days, and he's got a bunch of driving suspendeds. How old are you now?
36.
So in 2011, you were in your early 20s, and you make a bunch of dumb mistakes when you're young.
You might dodge the spotlight once or twice, but sooner or later it finds you. A revoked license isn't a loophole, it's a ticking clock. One day it's flashing lights, the next it's cuffs, and then it's court. The question isn't if, it's when.
And I tell young people, but you can't. Sometimes you learn the hard way.
Yeah.
And you could tell them, hey, don't do this. But this is a very generous offer. It's going to cost you a fine, and it will allow you to continue to try to get your license. My fear is you won't do anything. You'll pay my fine, and now I guess if you pay my fine and you don't drive anymore, I guess that's up to you.
To get my license back. That's
Well, as Mr. Taylor's office says in their advertisement, it's a process.
oh yeah. Oh, I know.
Who have you contemplated hiring to do it?
It's he's a revoked license specialist out of Detroit. I don't remember his name really.
Well, we've got some of those here. Mr. Towson in Kalamazoo does a lot of this. Mr. Taylor's office does a lot of it. Some of our local attorneys, Ms. Yancey and some others used to do it, but they got tired of getting their heart broken by the driver license appeal division. They'd go in there where they thought a compelling case for their client and they got denied. So it's hard.
I've heard that most of the time.
Now, a couple things you could do is stop driving and stop drinking. Now, you're not on probation or parole.
No.
And it's not unlawful for you to drink.
Oh, I don't drink though.
All right. Well, it's not unlawful for you to use marijuana. But when you go to get your license back, they're super strict. Even though the most recent charge on there is 10 years ago. All right. Allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code carries no points, doesn't get abstracted to your license, and it won't affect your ability to try to get your license. Do you understand the charge?
Yeah.
Where were you going on June 8th?
I was dropping a birthday present off for my uncle.
You live at Edgewater Apartments?
River Trail.
Yeah, what's it called now?
River Trail.
All right, back behind the old hospital. And where do you work?
I do maintenance there.
Oh, that's handy. Jordan Studebaker lives over there, has for a long time, one of the bailiffs. Whose car were you driving?
It was one that I had.
Well, you don't need a car.
I don't have it no more.
Yeah, so I think you've been skating under the radar for a while and it finally caught up. Need to have a car. So you have no car right now? Well, that'll help. So who's your uncle?
Like he's not my direct uncle, it's just a family friend, it's Edward.
Edward, where does he live?
In the corner of 5th and Michigan.
So you work as maintenance at River Trail?
Yes.
Well, that's real handy because you live there and work there. And you no longer have this car. There's no indication alcohol was involved here. All right. It's bad enough as it is. $100 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, $50.
The judge basically gifts him a clean slate. Stay sober. Stop driving. Step off this endless suspended license merry-go-round. But history mutters a warning. Most who get that shot let it slip right through their hands.
$150 attorney fee. That's $375. That's bad enough. You need time to pay that?
I would appreciate it, yeah.
Is 30 days enough or you want a payment plan?
30 days.
I'll give it until the end of October.
Thank you.
The other thing the DLA is going to ask is if you paid all your tickets. So you need to make sure this is done before you I encourage you to try to get your license and get off the driving suspended merry-go-round that you're on. It's very hard to get off of it. If you get another DWLS, you'll probably have to wait at least a year before you can apply again.
Yeah, I think it's like 5.
Well, so don't do it.
No, I don't plan on it.
Yeah, did I? October 31. All right, let's hope you make the best of this good plea offer here.
Yep.